Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Zenitsu drawing. Begin by lightly sketching the fundamental shapes for Zenitsu's head and body. Use simple circles and lines to establish his overall pose and proportions. This initial framework is crucial for ensuring your drawing is balanced and dynamic. Don't press too hard, as these lines will be erased later. Think of it as building a skeleton for your character. Now, let's bring Zenitsu's face to life. Focus on his expressive eyes, which often show fear or determination, and his slightly open mouth. Next, tackle his iconic spiky hair, paying close attention to the jagged edges and the two-tone color separation. Remember to keep your lines clean and confident as you define these key elements. This stage truly captures his personality. Moving on to Zenitsu's attire, carefully draw his Demon Slayer uniform, including the distinct pattern on his haori. Pay attention to how the fabric drapes and folds, adding depth and movement to your drawing. Don't forget his Nichiren sword, ensuring the hilt and blade details are accurate. These elements are essential for a complete and authentic representation of the character. For the final touches, carefully ink your drawing, making sure all your lines are crisp and clean. Once the ink is dry, erase any remaining pencil marks. Then, add shading to give your Zenitsu drawing depth and volume, paying attention to light sources. This step truly makes your artwork pop. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. Your support helps us create more content like this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.